Hello, welcome to Dzyn Space AI Content Creator, the creative way to save time and money on social media. Using our AI creator, you can generate unique posts and content and schedule them in minutes. The first thing, once you've signed up with an account, is to open a template on the designer. Here, you can change the text, image, colors, and anything else you like. Then simply download and save your image to your computer. Next, we'll open the AI Content Creator tool, add your company name and some info on the service, and personalize the messaging depending on your brand's tone. You can easily generate some emails, social media content, blogs, and sales copy. Plus, save all your responses to improve your messaging over time. You'll see here I'm prompting the AI Content Creator to make some social copy for Revive Beauty Studio. I want the content to be conversational, so it's more engaging, and the call to action is learn more. I can also direct them to a website here. Now I click on create social media copy, and in a few seconds, there it is. Now I copy the content over and open up my Meta suite. I go to all tools and start creating my post. Then I can add the photo that I created earlier. Looks great. And then I add in my content. We can see all that plus the hashtags, super important for social media really. Then I click publish and it's done. That's my first social post done under 2 minutes, or I can schedule a bunch of social posts for the month. It's really easy to get creative with the AI social media content creator. Check out the rest of the website and sign up today to start saving time on your social media creations.